Hey, this is Dr. Tom Gargiula from St. Louis, Missouri, and I went a little over a month ago to the Patient Mastery Workshop, brought my team with me. I waited till now to do a video because I wanted to see what results I would see in the office. Not just the immediate ones, but the longer term ones. And I'll tell you what, that program was outstanding for so many reasons. Number one, I literally have I have them right here on my desk, three index cards full of things that, that most of which I've already done, but they were checklist things, so I can get right to work on what I needed to do. And every single one of those has made a difference in the growth of the practice. I learned strategies there that I've implemented every single day for the entire month after the seminar. That has grown my practice. And the people I met there. I've never been to a seminar before where I felt comfortable going up to anybody in the room and just chatting with them, asking them questions, encouraging them, whatever it might be. I've interacted, and my team has interacted with many of them since the seminar. So we just absolutely loved Patient Mastery. We loved Dr. Josh and everything that he brought to the table. So we can't wait to go next time. Again, brought my team, wouldn't go without my team. That made it 10 times more valuable. So take care, God bless, and we'll talk to you later.